Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I just want like to say thank you once again for watching. We really appreciate the support. I just wanted to start off this video by saying the chart has not moved at all, but it's okay, not to worry. The chart has been in a bit of a consolidation period in the past couple of weeks. They did do their very hard fork update a couple weeks ago, so that does take some time for the chart to get more volatile again, get some more movement going on, and get some more things in place for the company. But it's okay. We have to be patient. Patience is the key to investing. The key to trading is patience. Without patience, there will be no form of reward. Okay? So instead of me going and rushing a trade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. You know why I'm going to wait? Because I know that my reward will be much higher. As you can see here, my take profit is a bit stretched, but it's okay. This is just an example. Look, $5,000 take profit. How much is my margin? $19. That's what we call longing a trade. If you guys want to learn more on how to do something like that, all you have to do is just give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this video, and follow us on Instagram for more content. We will show you how to make money from home every day. And once again, thank you very much. Like and